Hello, all the students of Standard 1. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study. Also, I hope whatever homework I am giving in maths and science, I hope you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So, in earlier classes, I have given you chapter 6. Standard 1, I have given you chapter 7 key terms. So I will upload some homework of chapter 7. In earlier classes I have uploaded chapter 7 key term. Today I will upload some choose the correct option, okay? And true false. So please do it in your homework copy. So now today I will teach you science chapter 15. Chapter 15 is going on sun, moon and stars. So the sun I have completed, the moon I have completed. Now I have to complete the stars. See, this is your last chapter and last topic also. After that your book will finish. After that whatever homework, whatever question answers are there, that I will keep uploading. So see, start. So see, sun we used to see in day, in morning, in daytime. Moon we see in night. Sun has its own line, moon does not have its own line because it reflects the light of the sun. That's why the moon, when we see moon, it looks at its sign, but moon does not have its own line. At night, we can see many stars twinkling brightly in the sky. Moon also we see in the night and star also we see in the night. But when we see star at night, it sees, when we see it looks some twinkling very brightly. Star looks very small because they are very far away from Earth. A star looks very small because they are very far from Earth. But actually, star is you can also say star is a big ball of fire. But star looks very small. Why? Because the star are very far away. Some stars found in groups. They usually form a shape or a pattern. These stars together look like a picture. Okay. When you will see many stars, they will see form of a pattern. Okay. Like here you can see how one star form a pattern. I'm just showing you. Okay. Now see. So first we write what that we can see stars twinkling brightly in the sky at night. Okay. Now next, a star look looks very small because they are because they are very far away from us. Next, when some stars when some stars are found in group, they usually form a shape or pattern. See, many times when you will see in sky, okay, at night, and you will see that where whatever the group of stars, they looks like they will form some picture. Sometimes they form great beer, sometimes they will form hunter. So here see, I am going to make great beer. The great beer. great beer. Okay, whenever this is the great beer. Okay, whenever we see stars, means group or starry night, then we assume that we form some picture, but we don't know the name of actually the picture. So if you see this type of pattern in the sky at night when the group of star form, this type of pattern is known as the great bear. One more pattern is there, that is called hunters. As you can see, I am showing the picture. Okay, so whenever you sometimes it looks like lion also, sometimes it looks like that it forms some human, some man, some god. Okay, so here the chapter is over. One fact story is there. Some stars are so far away from us that it takes many years for their light to reach us. Okay, means some stars are more far away from us that, like, see, whatever stars we see night, it looks that it's bright, but there are more stars which are very far away from us, and that takes year. Okay, that takes year to fall its light on the surface of the earth. Okay, students, so chapter 15 is over. I have already told you that I will upload chapter 7 homework, some objective homework. So for now, goodbye to all of you.